When the weather outside is frightful, when the fire is so delightful, and since we got no place to go.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Du tror när von stora. Ha, stupid.
You say bra.
Tak, bra.
Tak, bra. Every day, every new room, that's good about IKEA.
That means that you do not love Sweden.
Так,
Bra,
так, стой.
bra.
Good morning. We are starting our traditional IKEA vlog. You used to be a lot happier.
Christmas! 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 Christmas!
Exactly.
That's okay. And yeah.
So Anastasia, why do you go to IKEA?
Because I want to buy some Christmas shit.
But you don't have an apartment, you don't have a house, and you go to furniture store. Papi,
Yeah.
how you doing? Я тебе делаю Christmas montage. Oh Jesus.
Great footage from Max.
Carter, baby.
In Texas, we pay taxes.
I mean, like, Sweden is your religion.
Anastasia, how to make 10 million?
10 million?
I need 10 million.
Why?
I'm
You already got sunglasses.
with a white Christmas, just like the ones
I know them. Don't touch it. People watching. God bless IKEA. God bless, you know, the shot bulas, our favorite one. Just look at this beautiful.
Do you remember how to spell shot bullets?
No.
Ha, stupid. K
Okay.
or umlaut.
Oh, umlaut.
Bula. Short bula.
I mean, do I really look like him? Do I really look like him?
Look, they look the same. Yeah, you do look the same actually.
What?
Because you're adopted and who knows to do that?
Because I'm adopted and I have a brother, Steven Spielberg.
Yeah,
Really?
I do.
Mom? Okay, Marky, let's go. Marky, stop. Gosh, you weigh a lot.
Yay! Oh my gosh.
Professional footage in the house. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back, welcome
We are bloggers. It's all we do for a living. You okay? You can put some gingerbreads in there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some liquor.
Stop doing that, please. English lesson.
I say tak, you say bra. It's a bra.
That's Swedish.
It's easy.
Swedish is easy.
Oh.
What's your language, huh, girl? We're from Catholic.
In the UK we don't talk like that, you know? Young lady.
We say, oh shit.
We say, oh crap.
No, we say God damn it.
No.
I'm from where I'm from. We say God damn. Damn.
Skål!
Just like random words in Swedish.
No, skål, it's cheers. That's a drinking song. Before drinking, Swedish sing the song. Highland Boy.
Okay, let's go.
It's my Uber driver. What are you doing?
We're here, darling. Please, come in, come out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
What's up, Babueno? How are you feeling yourself? Have you read this book?
I read the book about the dog.
Yeah, and how was it?
It was pretty good. I think it's
Yeah. Please, can you give me the book? This last one.
I mean, that's up.
Oh.
IKEA тележка. How can you call тележка in English?
a cart.
What? What?
Cart.
Cart?
Cart.
Okay, so they are not really comfortable because my legs are like that one.
Yeah, this is my room.
It's your room? Beautiful. Let's go there. Oh no. There are a lot of people.
Oh, shirts.
All the shirts from H&M.
Yeah?
The
No?
like H&M is Swedish, so it makes point. Marky approved.
Darling, what are you searching for?
Nothing, I'm just looking, you know.
Твои носки в стирке.
Babushka!
Бабушка said that твои носки в стирке.
What about this? Come there.
I mean, I was really noisy today, so I guess they stop it. Oh my gosh, my hair.
Oh, it's vanilla.
Nah.
You do really love really soft.
Yes, I know. Like, oh, let's touch this one.
It's bad for your back, you know.
For my
It's gonna
back.
hurt.
Oh, I want to check it. Oh my gosh. Stupid. Oi. Oh my gosh.
When he gets a license and we are in the common car, I'm who's driving.
What are you writing?
A suicidal note from me. My love to everybody, Max Party. Everybody.
And then buy some shit.
I'm not doing anything. Hello.
No, but we have a book about it. You can buy. It's called Monster Flick.
Monster Flickman. Do you remember?
Yes. Stefan Lungovic. Shout out to Stefan.
Shout out to Stefan.
Let's put a tattoo on your body for.
Yay, IKEA forever.
No. What is it? Ah, it's a heart.
So it reminds me of 2014.
Pam 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 pam.
Let's go. Let's go somewhere.
What?
You are the one to know.
Give me. So it's 6. It's not PET plastic.
So it's good.
It's not so bad actually.
What plastic is good?
Made in with love.
That was Max. Yeah.
Thanks.
No, Anastasia, you need glass one. Stupido. Show the camera.
I mean,
No, it's good one.
no.
See, there are plenty of them.
Here's the Christmas stuff.
Go to toilet.
I only have Marky. Like, I don't need Marky. I want Christmas
No,
stuff.
it's like a dolly.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
What?
Please.
Oh, please don't pull Marky. Marky, don't do it.
What?
Yes. No. No.
You're not stable, actually.
I'm not stable.
Wait, what? I'm sorry.
You two are disgusting.
It starts with you.
Like 10 stars of a shitty driver.
I was a good one.
You were the boring one. Some Christmas stuff. We're gonna take this. Give me that. Oh, no
Jesus,
way.
it's huge.
No, it's really huge. We don't need that much. Many. Sorry, English grammar. We're gonna take some wrapping paper. Wrapping paper, I said. Wrapping paper is here.
Let's go forward.
Marky, how to live that kind of life?
You need to pay taxes.
You need to pay taxes.
Yeah.
Anastasia?
You need to have a kiddo like Marky.
Marky, oh.
Oh, I'm a queen. I'm the Pope.
When your life is tough and you're trying to find some Christmas stuff and you're just like sitting and you don't want some fake shit, you want some real shit, but you have something like this, you can kind of buy the good stuff and you're just thinking to yourself, am I or I'm not? Of course I am. You're Anastasia.
You're too good for that. Where's Christmas?
Oh God. Look at that.
Yeah. Have you chosen? You're not gonna have a big Christmas tree?
I don't know.
Marky, you are so stupid.
Heard these ones are great.
I'm sending him into my class.
I think it's enough.
And may all your Christmases be white.